Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're driving a Honda or an Acura, and your check engine light just popped on, and you pulled the code P1362, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into what this code means, what causes it, and most importantly, how to fix it without just throwing parts at your car. So, what exactly is P1362? The official definition is TDC sensor, intermittent signal. Let's break that down. TDC stands for top dead center. The TDC sensor, also known as the camshaft position sensor, is crucial for your engine's timing. It tells the car's computer, or ECU, the exact position of the number 1 piston. This information is vital for timing the fuel injection and spark ignition correctly. When the code says intermittent signal, it means the computer is getting an inconsistent or erratic signal from this sensor. This can lead to some noticeable symptoms. Engine hesitation or stumbling during acceleration is another common one. In more severe cases, your engine might crank but refuse to start at all. And of course, that lovely check engine light will be staring you in the face. On some Honda models, especially with VTAC, a faulty TDC sensor can even prevent VTAC from engaging, so you'll feel a significant loss of power in the higher RPM range. These sensors can fail over time due to heat and vibration, but don't just run out and buy a new one yet. It's also possible, though less common, that the timing belt has skipped a tooth. If the timing is off, the TDC sensor's readings won't align with what the crankshaft sensor is reporting, which can trigger the code. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and start diagnosing. The sensor is usually located on the cylinder head, near the camshaft pulley. Check for any obvious signs of damage, like frayed wires, melted plastic, or oil contamination on the connector. Wiggle the connector to make sure it's seated firmly. Sometimes, just unplugging it. Cleaning the contacts with some electrical cleaner, and plugging it back in securely can solve the problem. If the wiring looks good, the next step is to test the sensor itself. You'll need a multimeter for this. You can check for resistance across the sensor's terminals. Your car's service manual will have the exact resistance specifications. If the reading is out of spec, the sensor is bad. You can also perform a live test by checking for voltage while a friend cranks the engine. You should see a pulsing voltage signal. If there's no signal or it's very weak, that's a good sign the sensor has failed. Let's say the sensor and wiring check out. What's next? You should verify your engines. Mechanical timing. This involves removing the upper timing cover to inspect the alignment marks on the camshaft and crankshaft pulleys. If the timing belt has jumped, you'll need to replace it and retime the engine. Now, for the fix. If you've confirmed a bad sensor, replacement is pretty straightforward. Disconnect the battery, unplug the electrical connector, remove the 1 or 2 bolts holding the sensor in place, and swap it with the new one. A quick tip: always use a genuine OEM or a high-quality aftermarket sensor. Cheaper, no-name sensors are notorious for failing quickly or being dead on arrival, causing you more headaches down the road. After replacing the sensor or fixing any wiring issues, reconnect the battery and use a scan tool to clear the P1362 default code. Then, start the car and take it for a drive. Make sure it goes through a full warm-up cycle. If the check engine light stays off and the car is running smoothly, congratulations, you've fixed it. I hope this guide helped you understand and tackle the P1362 code on your Honda or Acura. It can seem intimidating, but with a systematic approach, you can often solve it yourself and save a lot of money. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching.